Once again sitting on the back foot. The market's starting to take a bit of a breather this week relative to what we saw on the gains the last couple of weeks. Again, boosted by the banking sector. A bit of softness. Can we now expect more negativity to come to the fore over the next few weeks?
I think you'll probably see some profit taking, as we've seen in the last couple of sessions, after a very strong performance about roughly 2 weeks ago. And the driver there is investors just have taking some profit off the table, having done extremely well. So I think you definitely see some downward trading. But I think that with some corporates still yet to release their numbers. We just got Dangote Sugar published its Q1 numbers today. That was also pretty strong. I think that could obviously help to provide some support. But even speaking about gains going forward into the quarter, I think that's in the most likely to be marginal.
Esile, I mean, let's just touch on what we've been seeing coming through on Dangote. It's a company that everyone's sort of eyeing out on right now, and it's been quite interesting that Dangote Cement has been under the spotlight. Is this one of the stocks that you're seeing a lot of positivity, given the fact that infrastructure spend is still set to come out, very positive for the full 2012 period?
Yeah, not just that, but you've also seen quite a significant capex, in most of the local names here, Dangote Cement and Lafarge Wapco. Most of the capacity that they were expecting to deliver came through in the fourth quarter of 2011, and then we expect that should start to come through in the numbers. Not particularly for Dangote Cement in its first quarter numbers. That was up maybe about 18%. And we were expecting something just slightly higher, but nevertheless we think that it could make up for earnings for the rest of the financial year 12. I think that its first quarter was clearly a slow start. Management, attributed that slow start to a combination of higher fuel costs and also the one-week strike in January this year. Contrary to the trend, though, we saw Lafarge Wapco picking up quite sharply. Its earnings was up over 150% during the same period, which, in my opinion, highlighted that they were able to deal much better with the situation because they use gas as well. And they must have been affected by that one-week strike.